Hello everyone and welcome. Today I need your help. I need to find out what ate the top of my tomato plant. I started this journey from a work event that I created called Touching Dirt Gardening Starter Kit, and we have tomato plants and basils. I'm assuming in the vegetation stage. I already knew I was in over my head without any garden experience, but I still took 2 of each home. I kept them in a small pot for a week, and then I found a small pot at Dollar Tree, and I just prayed for the best, water and sunlight. By day 33, I noticed little tomato fruits coming in, and I got really excited. Check me out. By day 37, we have cherry tomatoes on both plants. And then I come out the next morning, and somebody ate the top of my plants. One plant that had the 4 were gone. The other plant still had the 4, as you can see, but I was still so disappointing. Let me know what you think. What ate my plants? In the meantime, I need to be out here trying to find some protection. Even my basil got nibbled on. I'm not sure what's eating it. I didn't see a caterpillar. I don't know. Help me out. Each video, I want to try to include my scorecard, gardening without a green thumb. Wish me luck. Until next time.